Hey guys, we're here with Gary and Manny from Oklahoma, right?
Yes.
Oklahoma's in the house. Check it out. They are eating breakfast here. Hello guys, how are you?
Good. Big fan of you guys.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming into Papi's and checking us out for the first time.
Yes.
And you just got here recently, or you've been in what, Bulacan, right?
Yeah, we live in Bulacan.
Yeah.
Bulacan.
All right. So you're just visiting Angela's here for a couple days, or just?
No, just today. We just came by.
Just came by to eat?
Here.
Just to come here.
Yes.
Well, I surely appreciate that. We appreciate it. What'd you eat today? You're almost done. You had breakfast.
Yes, I had breakfast because I've seen your breakfast and they're delicious. This is such a great American meal.
Nice.
I love it here. I love it.
I appreciate it, guys.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We have so many people coming by the restaurant that follow our channel, and the only reason they come here is because they saw us on YouTube. And
Yes.
I do very much appreciate that, but we try to give everybody the best experience possible.
I was telling your wife, the reason why I first seen you guys, I was flicking through the channel and I happened to see you guys, and I see the way you treat each other with so much love and compassion. How can people not want to watch you guys? And I mean that. You guys are great. And thank you so much for being on TV, because like I said, I was stuck in America for 18 months and I depended on you guys. I feel like we're family. I just want to hug the man.
Well, I do get some hugs every now and then. I had a guy hug me the other night. He said he had a problem with his TV, and I ran up there because I know how to fix these technical things, and not everybody's real technical. He's like, man, I'm not a handshaker, I'm a hugger. He was a big guy. He nestled me into his armpit and said, thank you, man.
Well, my culture, that's common. I mean, my family from Lebo, Sicily.
Yeah.
So they like the hug.
We're very
yes,
affectionate.
they're very affectionate.
Yeah.
But I love it here, and you'll be seeing me quite often. I'm not that far away, hour and a half. That's
Yeah,
it.
don't be a stranger.
No, I won't. I will not.
Excellent.
And I thank you guys too. I really do.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you for following us. Hang
You're
in
more
there.
than welcome.
All right, guys. Oh my goodness, it is dinner time here at Papi's. Check out what Mercy has right here. You're not gonna believe the size of this pork chop.
I can wait.
You ready?
I am. Look at that.
So what do you got? Garlic rice,
Garlic rice,
mixed buttered veggies, yeah. What else?
and my pork chop, lemon pepper pork chop.
Lemon pepper, and you got some toyo there for your rice. All right.
rice.
Oh,
Oh my
watch
God.
out for those chilies now.
I know, Papi.
You don't want to get all burnt up.
No.
All right, dig in. Cut into that juicy pork chop. Let me see what that looks like here. I don't know if I want to get one of those or not.
Why not?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect.
Yeah, very juicy.
Oh yeah.
Let me get this part.
There we go. Tell me how that lemon pepper pork chop tastes. No.
Delicious.
Would you say anything else if it wasn't delicious?
That was juicy. That was very flavory.
Very flavory.
Yeah.
What's the flavory part? Lemon pepper?
Lemon pepper.
Okay. Nice. Yep, there we go. Little bit of fat with your meat. Can't
It is
beat it.
good.
Oh yeah, it's grilled just right? Little garlic rice, little hair. Nothing like a little hair in your pork chop.
No hair, Papi.
All right, so she's got me thinking about the pork chop, but I went ahead and did the steak. I couldn't help it. Ribeye steak for me.
Oh my.
Ribeye steak, mashed potatoes, gravy, mixed veggies. Got to have a little something healthy here, right? Oh my goodness. I am going to dig into this ribeye. And you know what? The best part about this ribeye is it's on sale.
Yeah, the price is
It's on sale.
right.
That's the best part, is the price. So normally $11.99. This week, buy one entree, get the second one half off. That's like $900 for the second meal. So if you buy a ribeye steak, then you buy a pork chop meal and you get half off the pork chop meal. Buy 2 ribeye steaks, get half off the second ribeye steak.
Are you sure you want to do that?
Yeah, the second one's 600 pesos. So it's $11.99, 50% off, 600 approximately, 600 pesos for your second steak, ribeye steak. These steaks are 400 grams, imported, aged, butter aged ribeye. 400 gram steak. Yeah, I mean, it's delicious, guys. Wait till I cut into this and show you how good it is. First of all, I really don't need this. I'm not gonna eat this one. So it's pretty and all, but I'm not gonna eat that. But what I am gonna do is get my potatoes ready. I'm gonna make me a little place for my gravy. Which reminds me, Thanksgiving's coming up, guys, and gravy, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness.
Baby.
I can't wait for Thanksgiving, guys.
Me neither.
We are going to have a feast. I don't know how many of you out there have seen my Thanksgiving video from Mark's house a year ago, but that thing was delicious and humongous. Oh, A1.
Do you think you need A1?
I don't know. I'm gonna try without. Let's do a little cut of this steak right here.
Yeah.
Let's not block the beauty with this bottle.
Oh, sorry.
Let's cut this steak up here. Let's see what we got right here with a little Metallica in the background. There we go.
Inspirational.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, papi.
That is wonderful right there. I love it. Give me that fat. Give me everything.
That looks so good.
Let me show you something here, guys. This is perfect. Look at that.
Oh, yummy.
Basted in butter and herbs. Super tender.
I want to take this piece. Can you cut?
You can take it. Go ahead.
Look at my friend is laughing at me.
Lily over there is watching us do our video / commercial here. I'm just laughing.
Look at this.
Oh yeah. Food porn.
No more.
There you go. It's what you call food porn. That's what I'm going to title this video. Food porn. Oh man.
You get one? You have to today.
She's had one, she's had one.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
They've all had.
Oh my God.
Lenny here.
Yeah.
Lenny here has eaten our steaks and bought steaks for all these girls that work here.
I know. He's so generous.
What a guy, man. He said, you girls got to try a steak. So he started buying steaks for everybody. One of the nicest guys in the world here, Lenny, been staying with us from Texas, all the way from Texas.
Kingsville, Texas.
Kingsville, Texas. Comes in here and eats every damn day. He just got back into town and he bought steaks for all these girls. Like, who does that? Who does that?
You shouldn't tell them that. Everybody's gonna want one.
Yeah, right. And you'll be hitting up. Where's my steak? He didn't get the whole staff, but all the girls in the restaurant mainly has had a steak from Lenny. Really appreciate your kindness, man.
Hey.
That is so good of you.
The girls, they all loved it. That was the whole point behind it. They haven't tried one. It's like, what? How can you not have a steak?
Yeah.
Have a
Yeah.
steak.
Well,
you know, so
think
they all got a steak. They all got to
They know what
share
it's
and
about.
test.
Did you make them eat it well done, or rare, or medium rare?
I got them to go down as low as medium well.
Oh, medium well was the that
Medium
was it.
well. I couldn't get them to go any lower than that, but hey.
Hey, that's a sin for
You
me,
know,
but I understand. There's a lot of places. Mexico's the same way. Everybody eats everything well done.
Nope,
They grow up that way. But I had a few girls try some medium rare bites of steaks here, and they were like iffy, but they enjoyed it, I think. But
A lot of the food here in the country is cooked well done.
yeah, for many reasons.
Yes,
Yeah,
and yes,
don't it?
I understand.
So
it.
they're not used to not
You know,
seeing
but-
that rare meat or
Yes.
medium rare even.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
No. Thanks a lot, Eric.
Yeah,
I
man.
appreciate it.
Yeah, brother.
You've got a great thing going here. Keep up the good work. I love this place.
Yeah.
Fantastic food. Try the buffalo wings. They're awesome.
Yeah, my favorite. Wings, spicy
There we go.
wings.
It's spice it up just a little bit more.
A little more?
A little
Okay,
more.
we can do that. Only thing I see is I don't notice too much toyamansi on your rice. Did you pour it on there?
A little bit.
Oh, you just did a little. You didn't do the chili though. Save me some of that.
Yeah,
I know you're not going to
No.
use all that. You always make me eat your rice.
Yeah.
All right, good. I love the Toyamansi.
Hi, Papi. Your steak is delicious. My goodness.
Pork chop's good. Oh, you're trying the steak too? You got a mix up here. So Mercy stole a big piece of my steak.
It's delicious, friends. Oh my God.
Yeah, it is.
Melted in your mouth.
Well, I'll tell you what melts in your mouth right here, and it's probably going to mess with some people. But this steak is so good, guys. I'm not a big fan of just eating fat, but it's so tasty. I
So
can't.
good. Yeah.
A lot of people out there are going to be like, "Oh, I can't believe you just ate that fat chunk of it."
It's
I'll tell you what,
delicious,
when I
right?
have this steak here, I eat it all, man. There's nothing going to waste. It has that buttery, herbed flavor. So good. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna go right out of the middle of this steak right here, and I'm gonna cut this with my fork. I'm telling you, you can cut this steak with your fork. Right there, proof. I'm going for it again. Can't stop. Look at this. Delicious. You can just cut it with your fork with hardly any effort. I mean, this outer edge, you don't need a knife. Delicious. I don't even need A1 with this, guys. I love it.
I know.
I love it, but you don't need it. One of the best steaks I've had anywhere. Under $20 US. You can't buy this back home.
No.
Everybody's telling me how high things are back in the States right now. Over here in Angeles City. And we do have A1 here. Just a little dab here and there. Let's try a little A1 on that bad boy. There we go. Elevates it.
Yeah, Papi. So good.
Tell you what, that pork chop looks great. Let me have a bite of it. You took half my steak and didn't give me a bite of your pork chop.
You want a little bit of fat?
Yeah, sure. Give me a little boat. It's fine. Let me try. Love the lemon
Juicy,
pepper.
yeah.
Perfectly good.
Very good.
Oh my gosh. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Can't take it. Can't take it.
Yeah, but it was so good today.
You didn't share your rice with me today. You ate it all.
Sorry, Papi. That was so good.
Goodness. Wow.
I did.
Not a morsel left. It's my last piece. Do a little gravy on this one.
Yummy.
That's it right there. Last one. Polish that off. I'm glad you ate some of that. I would have been overloaded. I am stuffed. I think I'll eat till tomorrow.
I believe you. But look at me.
Mercy did it all too. She saved her veggies for the last.
Yeah, and then my dessert.
Veggies is your dessert? Took you out tonight on this. I finished my meal 5 minutes ago. She just taking her time.
Yeah. Last bite.
Last bite. That's it. And you've cleaned your plate like a good girl.
Like a champion.
You want to finish to eat that corn cob? You're not gonna eat the rest of that? Oh, okay, good enough. All right. All right, guys, that's it for our video today. I hope you enjoyed watching us eat again. We're always eating.
And we're gonna invite you guys to have a Thanksgiving dinner with us here at Papi's.
Before that, come and get one of these delicious ribeyes. You won't be sorry.
Yep.
Thanksgiving's coming up soon, guys. If you live around here in town, we're taking reservations over here at the front desk. So come on by. This girl right here will take your reservation.
Yes, we're gonna wait you for the November 23rd for the Thanksgiving party for us.
Yeah, Thanksgiving party it is. All right, guys. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for all your kind comments. We'll see you guys on the next video.
See ya.
See ya.